Today, our team at SEO PowerSuite has released the new advanced filters, and I'd love to show you how you can use them to improve your SEO workflow. Launch the software, let it be Rank Tracker, and open a project. Click the filter icon in the top right corner. Let's say I have a huge keyword list in my Rank Tracker project and want to view only those keyword phrases that contain New York or Boston, and all these keywords should have a search volume higher than 10. All I need to do is click the Add Filter button and set a few conditions. Click OK, and the filter will be applied to your current workspace. You can add as many conditions as you need, and use updated filters in all 4 SEO PowerSuite tools. If you've created a filter in the SEO PowerSuite application, it will be automatically saved for the current workspace. So you can easily set up all the needed filters in multiple workspaces and switch between them each time you're working on your project. Need more workspaces? Just hit the plus button to build a new one. For more advanced filtering, we've added operations that support regular expressions and matches one-off, contains one-off conditions. Here's how you can use them in your projects. To create a filter with regular expressions, choose Keyword from the drop-down list and Matches Regular Expressions condition. Then, enter your regular expression. For instance, this one will show you all the keywords in the project starting with S. When you have a lot of parameters for the match or contain condition, you can use Matches One-Off, Contains One-Off condition. Then copy your parameters and paste them all here. When choosing the conditions for your filter, you can always click the Preview button and see what results come up for the specified conditions. No more long scrolling to find the needed filter condition. Simply start typing in the quick search bar and you'll see the required condition in a sec. For some fields, we've added custom parameters. For instance, you can quickly set the URL is the homepage filter, or see the keywords the website ranks for or doesn't rank in top. There are virtually thousands of filter conditions you can use now in SEO PowerSuite. So just launch the software and start using the new filters.